Rose. This is a rose. Roses come in red, pink, yellow and white. They smell amazing and are called the king of flowers. This is sunflower. It's big and yellow in color. It always faces the sun. This pretty flower is a tulip. Tulips grow in many colors and bloom in the spring. Say hello to this beautiful flower, daisy. It has white petals and a yellow center like the sun. This is hibiscus. It's big, bright and often red or pink. It grows in warm places. This is a lily. Lilies are elegant flowers and they smell very sweet. This flower is called lotus. It grows in water and is the national flower of India. Here comes marigold. It's bright orange or yellow and is used in many festivals. This is a jasmine flower. Tiny white flowers with a strong sweet smell. This flower is called orchid. Orchids are fancy flowers with beautiful colors and shapes. Great job! You just learned 10 amazing flowers. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.